Hi everybody, this is your news. So apologies I haven't been on your videos or articles in a filey. I've been a busy kind. But Canis, if you want to help out, you don't have to be a Doric picker. You can be for Oniwa in Scotland, for Shetland, otherwise Dumfries or whatever. And you can come and help out with your news. Because can we do Central Scots, Shetlandic, I can do other types of Scots if you want them. And put together as a Hail platform for you to basically rake through and find the press releases for Scotland, and there's hundreds that can unreport it. There's good news for you're Scotland, or bad news, because unions are putting out press releases because the paper is doing a report on. There's all sorts going on around Scotland that you don't care about. And so you come and help out with your news. We're for both sides. We're not political, because Scots is not about politics. So come along and join your news.